Basically, just have faith in us, have faith in the team. Thank you so much for all the support over the years, and we just want to let everyone know we're going to go out there and give it our best. Regardless of the scores, we know we always do it for the people. Supporting the RKS team for the teams a couple of weeks back. A lot of family of mine went there, so I was jumped on board and thought I'd support a few of my good mates here in the team, all ex-RKS boys. The toughest, every day was pretty much tough. It was all very physical and very tiring, but I think most importantly it was very mentally draining. But it's all part of the training, you know. It teaches us to use our minds. You know, we put our minds together and work hard at it. You know, everything will fall into place well. So. Oh yeah, no, all the team bonding and everything that's been put in place is different compared to the last Rugby World Cup. This time coming, we have got all the new coaching staff, and all credit to them. They're part of the reason why we've become like really good at what we do, and why we all want to strive to do well for our nation. Either in the team, I would definitely have to Josh Matavesi. Yeah, he eats more than all the props put together, so he's a machine. He's a machine. My favourite movie would have to be 300. The movie about the Spartans, you know, how they defended off 100,000 people or whatever it is. And the reason why it's my favourite movie is because it just shows that 300 people can always defeat numbers no matter what, you know. If they stick together and stick to the plan, everything will go to problems.
So that's Fiji's motto going into this World Cup?
That's definitely my motto, and hopefully it's our team as a whole's motto, you know. And it's just all up to us. Don't have a favourite song, I just...
Favourite artist?
Definitely Like a Dude. Like a Dude, yeah.
Yep.
I was actually quite shattered, to be honest, because I planned on several occasions to go out to his concerts when he came out south, but I missed it, and then when I heard about his passing, it was quite heartbreaking, quite heartbreaking. I think mainly it's just for the pressure. It's not so much pressure, but it's knowing in your head that you want to do really well in that white jersey just because of the guys before you. You know, you never know when you're going to wear the jersey again. So I think that's what drives me to do well, you know, and especially for our young guys coming through and the young kids out there as well, you know. I think that drives me to do my best and leave a legacy in that #1 jersey. So yeah. Just for everyone to have faith in us. You know, the hard work's done. You know, we'll go out there and we'll give it everything we got, regardless of the scores. You know, we'll always be thankful for the support and the love of the nation.
Thank you.
Cheers.